Hey students, how's it going? So I'm going to show you real quick how to use your screen snipping tool to turn in this assignment. You may already know what the screen snipping tool is, but a lot of students don't. So here's how to find it. First off, you just click on the Windows button at the bottom left of your screen and just start typing in snipping tool, and look, it pops up. Now, as you can see, I have it down here in the bottom on my toolbar. Since I use this tool a lot in my class, it may be a good idea to right click here and then pin it to the taskbar. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to look it up this way, that's totally fine too. So anyways, we're going to launch the snipping tool. And if I click new on snipping tool, it's going to white out the screen like this. Notice here's a picture still in the middle. If I wanted to cut this out, I would just click, hold, drag, and then release, and I have